description.
So this is the 2500th episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Thank you for watching, and here we go. All right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today is not an instant noodle, but it's pretty cool, and I found it on the aisle at H Mart where the instant noodles live. This is Bibigo Tteokbokki, sweet and spicy Squid Game edition, because who doesn't like a sweet and spicy rice cake right after they played a children game and watched everybody else get shot? So I figured that was the right thing to do. It is Monday, the 10th day of February. And being that it is a day, this one's a little weird. Where's the fill line? Oh, way up there, huh? It's funny because it's telling me there's the fill line. However, I guess it's after you put all the stuff in. This is not a seasoning. This keeps stuff dry. If you eat it, if you put it in this and eat it, you won't like it, but it won't kill you. You'll poop it out. Did you know that? Did you always think, oh my God, that silica gel, that'll kill you? It won't kill you. Because some people don't know such things, and you know, it doesn't work very well to put things in food products that may kill you. So that's a little bit of info. If you decide to go the extra mile and eat that, then it's not a seasoning. That was the seasoning. And boy, there's more than enough seasoning in here that you really don't need to eat the desiccant, okay? So now it's asking for, God, how much is it? This is where it starts getting weird, folks. It wants 65 milliliters of water. Tablespoon is 15 milliliters, and a teaspoon. Is that a one? What's that then? Okay. There's your teaspoon. That's 5 milliliters. So we're going to start with that. I've got warm water here. Okay. Let me just a touch more. And then we've got our tablespoon. And if you're mathy, which I'm really not going to say I'm like a mathematician by any way, shape, or form. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little more because those weren't full. Just a touch. Okay, and then we need to stir and stir. Stir well to dissolve. Let us stir well. And it's not like it's easy to stir well. And also, it certainly does not come up to the fill line. It says about 65 milliliters. I want it to come up to the fill line, though, because that's like... I really don't like when they're like, well, you could do it this way or you could do it that way. And they're at odds with each other. That happens quite a bit, and it's very irritating to me. All right. All right, we've stirred well, pretty well, well enough to dissolve. Yeah, it tastes sweet and spicy. And now we're going to microwave it for 1 minute 50 seconds. Really? Boy. All right. At 1,000 watts, mind you. Mind you. One minute. Wow, it did that. And there we go. So, gosh, what's going on? They're gonna stop making pennies. Because you were sick of pennies, right? Oh, that's lame. If there are definitely people who refuse to use anything but coins and bills. And if they get rid of pennies, that's going to be a round up or round down thing, and they're going to get cranky. Plenty of people are exceedingly cheap. So when it's like, okay, well, it's $1.04, so we're going to round it up to $1.05. Well, I have pennies. Oh, okay. But people are, I'm going to bet there's somebody right now going, oh, pennies, pennies, pennies. They're going to stop making them. They're hoarding pennies. You're going to get tons of people doing that. I've got a jar in our bedroom closet that's full of pennies. Am I going to immediately reintroduce them into the currency chain? No. Was I planning on doing it? No. Are they just in the jar? Yeah. Do you know how many I was thinking like, oh, they don't mint pennies that often. They mint like, I think they said in 2019 they minted 12.5 billion pennies. Yeah. They last about 30 years in circulation until they're just rubbed raw. And then they'll take them and melt them down and do other junk with it. Who knew? I thought it was fascinating. So I watched a documentary from the Philadelphia Mint. I was like, wow, that's really something. Well, this must be done. According to it. Okie dokie. I'm going to have a sip of a beverage right now. You know, beverages are good. Pardon me. All right. Let's see what we got here. Tteokbokki, some people, I'm guessing, like it really, like, I guess you could call it al dente. Like, much chewier. I like it soft. Like, really soft. Like, gooey soft. That's what it looks like. It's just compressed rice. It's like you grind up a bunch of rice, put a little bit of water in there or whatever. I think there's alcohol in it. I don't know. But you boil them up and they're like adult beefaroni. And people have like kind of balked at my term of that. It's like, how can you call tteokbokki beefaroni? I'm like, I don't know. Growing up, beefaroni was a thing, man. And when I was a kid. So maybe more people, Westerners, can like identify with that. But it's not hollow. Not that, I mean, beefaroni is kind of hollow. It's kind of like a weird ziti, but you're not going to see from one end to the other. But anyways, cheers. Okay. Oh my God. The sauce is really good. Nice, sweet. Very light on the spiciness. Oh yeah. That's good. That I want to like use this bowl. I think, was this the last bowl that I got? No, this was not. I got this one for udon, and I thought maybe this would be nice for tteokbokki. Oh, you're hiding. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh no. Oh no, I got it on the side there, a little drippy drip. Oh, I'll take that out with the AI. Yep. I will. Because I like the AI. In Photoshop, that is. Okay, what we got here? We got that. Let's add our scallion right now. What? A little bit of scallion right there. And I'm gonna add some egg. Egg. This one, you come with me, egg. So I had to go get eggs this weekend, and I did so. I hate it when they do this. Do you guys know why they do this? I've been like trying to like manually stir my eggs around while they're boiling. And this one did this annoying thing. Whoa. But the others did not. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, fine. Look at those yolks. Holy crap. Okay, that was kind of faily. And I wish I had some Busan fish cake, but I don't. Busan fish cake is quite good. But I've got a little of this fish cake. I don't know how I like the look of that. Can you, like, no? No, you're just gonna flip over and cause more trouble. This is one of my eggs from my $11 dozen of eggs, folks. Yep. Well, watch it go. Jesus Christ. All right, so remember, if you've been playing the Squid game and you've been watching people get slaughtered, hopefully at the end they'll serve you this and you'll feel better and you'll be like, I'm gonna vote yes, I'm ready to go, I want some more Tteokbokki. So, yeah. Anyways, the next one you're gonna see is this, and I was so enamored with the last one from this range. This is Cup Noodles Germany Spicy Hot Chili. The last one I had was the Cup Noodles Germany chicken flavor. And I reviewed these a while back and they just seemed kind of bland and ho-hum, and at least from what I remember. Maybe they weren't. But that chicken one was off the hook, and I'm very curious about this one. So you're going to see a lot of these coming up. Boom, boom, boom. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.